Hello and welcome to the Sofa Rehab YouTube channel. On this channel we discuss products that are available on the sofarehab.com.au website. In the videos we talk about technical information, important information you may need to know about any product that you're looking at and to see whether it's suitable for your application. So in this latest video we're going to be talking about the ZB Power rechargeable lithium-ion battery suitable for electric recliners. The model number of the ZB Power battery we're talking about is the BS-8B. Okay, so if you purchase that battery from Sofa Rehab, you're going to get three items in the delivery. The first item you're going to get is the information pamphlet. So on the information pamphlet, you get the safety information here. You get about the technical specifications, the setup and recharging. So it's definitely worth reading that pamphlet before you use the battery. The second thing you're going to get is the charging stand. This is a charging stand for the lithium-ion battery and also doubles up as a mounting plate. So this is what you would use to locate the battery out of view for that more seamless cordless look. So the model number of this charging stand is BS-SD. Every battery is supplied with one of these. Next you're going to get the actual battery, and this is the ZB Power BS-8B. So they're the three items that you get when you order the ZB BS-8B from Sofa Rehab. Let's get into some of the technical specifications of the battery. Okay, so this is, as mentioned, the BS-8B from ZB Power. The capacity of this particular battery is 3,950 milliamp hours. So this is a medium range capacity battery. The stored energy in this battery when fully charged is 99.5 watt hours. The nominal voltage of the battery is 25.2 volts. The nominal discharge is 3 amps. The maximum momentary discharge is 10 amps. To recharge this battery there are two options. We will run through both options later. The first one is the AC/DC transformer. Your transformer at home for your electric recliner is generally suitable to recharge this battery, and the transformer needs to have an output of 29 volts to 31 volt range. That's a standard AC/DC transformer. If you haven't got one of those, you need to purchase one of those at the time of this battery. It's not supplied with the battery. You can also charge the battery through the USB-C port, which we will discuss later. For that, you need to have a PD charger with a minimum output of 20 watts. Recharging of the battery through the AC/DC transformer takes approximately 7 hours. Through the PD charger is approximately 11 hours. So the manufacturer have tested the battery and they recommend that you will get 300 cycles out of this battery when fully charged. So what does that mean? So a cycle is one open and close of the recliner. So in factory conditions, this battery will provide up to 300 charges rated at 125 kilograms of weight. Does that mean that you're going to get 300 cycles out of your battery? No, your individual circumstances will make a difference onto whether you get 300 reclines or considerably less. That doesn't mean the battery is faulty if you get considerably less. That just means that your recliner draws more power than the factory testing. So the size of the battery. Let me just connect the charging stand for you. We'll run through how this works in a moment. The sizes are 161 millimeters long, 74 millimeters wide, and when connected to the charging stand it's 60 millimeters deep. This battery is suitable for interior use only. It's suitable for electric reclining furniture only. It comes with a 2-year warranty from Sofa Rehab against manufacturing defects. It's suitable for low to medium demand recliners. So what does that mean? That means that if your recliner has up to 2 actuators or 5 buttons on the switch on the side, 1 USB port, this battery is suitable. If you have a higher demand recliner than that, you need to look at our 6,000 milliamp hour battery that we also stock. You can run 2 recliners from this battery, however you will be recharging it considerably quicker, so we really only recommend this for low to medium demand single recliners. Okay, let's get into how the recharging and the setup of this battery. So as we said before, you get the 2 items in the package like this. the charging stand and the battery. So to connect the two together, on the charging stand are two grooves at the base, and there's two matching grooves on the bottom of the battery. You basically slide the two together. So line them up and click into place. That's the battery assembled, ready for use and charging. There is a release lever, release button here. You push that, the battery can disconnect for charging, which is what you need to do if you've have installed the battery underneath off the floor using the charging stand. So getting back to the charging stand, it is supplied with two industry standard cables, a male 2-pin and a female 2-pin plug with a retaining clasp. Now the male 2-pin plug is for recharging, and most occasions will not be connected to anything until you charge. The female plug is what connects to your recliner. So you align it to the male plug on the recliner and close the retaining clasp. The battery is then connected. You may need to look at your recliner and see whether you need any additional cables, because this charging stand has a short lead and it sits directly on the floor or underneath the recliner. If you have any different plug sockets or requirements for your recliner, have a look on the Sofa Rehab product listing. There are additional cables available to suit every application of recliner. So if yours looks like it needs an additional plug, you will need to order that at the time of the battery as well. So the charging stand has some specifications on the bottom here. It also has two mounting holes. So if you're going to want to fit this battery underneath the recliner out of view, bear in mind that the battery needs to be recharged. So you need to be able to hear the recharge alert, and you also need to be able to remove the battery for recharging. So the two screw holes, you need to supply the screws. We don't supply any screws. You need to mount it in an area where you can reach the battery, and the battery must have ventilation so it doesn't get too hot. So once you've connected the battery here and you've connected it to the recliner, most people will just place that on the floor behind the recliner, and that's good to go until recharging is required. Recharging, you will use your current AC/DC transformer that came with your recliner. If you haven't got the correct specification or you don't have a recharger at home, you can order that from the same product list, and we supply, if required, the correct charger for this battery. If you are placing the battery under the recliner out of view, you need to be using the USB-C port here for recharging. So basically, if you've attached this battery underneath, come recharge point, you remove the battery, the USB-C port here, you plug in the PD charger with a minimum output of 20 watts into the front here, and recharge the battery. That's how that's done if you're storing the battery off the floor underneath the recliner. But as I said, most people will be placing the battery on the floor and using the AC/DC transformer here. Both rechargers are available from the Sofa Rehab website. So another handy feature on this battery is that there is a digital display on the front of the battery. The digital display indicates the 29.2 volts is the stored power at this point when it's fully charged, and when fully charged it shows you 100%. So this is a great feature. At any point in the time of this battery, you can check by pressing this button. The display will illuminate for 8 seconds, telling you the current storage of the battery, so you know if you're running low or where you're at for recharging. So that's a great feature to be able to check. So when fully charged, it will say 29.2 volts and 100%. When you're using the battery, those numbers will drop accordingly. Recharging, there will be a symbol come up underneath the 29.2 volts that will show you that you're charging your battery and when it's full. When does the battery need recharging? When there's approximately 10 to 15% remaining on this display, the battery will give you an alert. It will be an audible alert that goes beep, 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 beep continuously for approximately 20-30 seconds, and at that point you are then required to recharge the battery. Hopefully that gives you some information on the ZB Power BS-8B battery available from Sofa Rehab. If you have any comments or feedback on this video, our contact details will be at the end of this video. If you've enjoyed the information and the video that we've made here for you, please do like and subscribe. It really does help us grow our channel and reach more like-minded people.